Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 1230010. This is a box of 100 key tags with a Tang style key ring, and I have one removed from the packaging. This is a countertop display where you can fold this lid over and sneak this leaf down behind to give you that ability to have a countertop display. This is clear with a Tang. Now the entire part number, the way that the part number has been built, the 1230010 specifically means counter display, package of 100 Tang keyring clear. Let's go over the dimensional properties of this, then we'll talk about how we derive the part number. You got about 2 1/4 on the overall length of the plastic tag. That inner paper that's in there is about, probably 3/4, 7/8 by 2 inch, something in that range. Removing that would involve simply removing the unit from the Tang and then sliding it out through the slot that's here. The Tang style is used because what it allows the user to do is to not get their fingernails really involved with the removal. You can just kind of push that on and off via that Tang. It doesn't really require getting fingernails involved. Okay, so people like it for that purpose. Okay, now there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Lucky Line products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. And if you were to open that and then do a search, let's say if you search for 1230, you'll find the page where the key ring with Tang, the key tag with Tang rings are found. You can see that the 12300 is indeed what's called the retail pack. When you add the 2 more digits after, in this case the 10, you're going to get the color. 10 or 10 means clear. Options are 30 for blue, 40 for green, 50 for orange, 65 for purple, 68 for magenta, 70 for red, and 80 for yellow. You can change these based on those colors. You can also change the part number to just 12300 and then get a box of 100 that are assorted colors. Very appropriate for a checkout sort of process. You can also see from the table when you search that you can get an industrial pack which would not be in this box, naturally ready to be more retail oriented. Now they can also do non-packaged high volume product where you're really just going to have things tossed into a paper bag or a plastic bag. But you can also see how the quantity changes, the display retail packaging changes from a box or a retail box to a jar with either 50 or 100 in them. And then on the right hand side of that page you can see a silhouette of what those jars in retail packs look like. Also on that page you can take note of the inserts only can be purchased for these as well. And then also finally you can do custom imprinted key tags with a Tang ring, and that's actually a hallmark of Lucky Line, custom printing on stuff. You can put your website, your phone number, your company name onto a variety of different products. There's usually a minimum order buy-in to get that sort of willingness from, or ability I should say, from Lucky Line to do it. Like spring style wrist coils and lanyards, things that you can put your phone number and company name onto. The list is comprehensive. Speaking of comprehensive, the name Lucky Line is synonymous with a comprehensive offering of all things key management hardware. You might want to rifle through the rest of the catalog, at least to subconsciously familiarize yourself with what they sell. Key tags made of paper and plastic and aluminum and brass. Key rings, all the way from the small giveaway ones all the way up to the large pull-apart jailer style key rings. The custom printing we mentioned before, and then a whole host of specialty hardware. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line, this is their part number 1230010, box of 100 Tang style key tags or any other Lucky Line product. Please, you know what, I didn't tell you the diameter of that key ring. Or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. looks like we're dealing with an outside diameter of about 1 1/8 inches. Any questions on this or anything else from Lucky Line, please let us know. Thank you.